back on another video for you all today. This here is this is like my first project that I created. To be honest, this isn't functional. Well, I shouldn't say it's not functional. There are some functionalities to it, but it's not really like the best. But it's pretty much a basic like food, or I should say like a restaurant website. Before we get into this, make sure you all like the video, share, and subscribe. And let me know what is your comments, your thoughts on this project, and what I could have done to make this project better. So to get into this project, let's just like go through different fields. So you can see like this basically the home page, and just showing you all like different options. And as I said, you can see that I didn't really do this project good because why these two pictures here good, but this one here, the jerk chicken picture, why is it like it just doesn't look good? So, and you can see like I had like the testimonials, like the gallery, people can sign in for the like newsletters and stuff. See that this is the about, and I didn't really add any like transitions to this as well. I just kind of like let it be. They you see that these different menus that they have. So, and also people can enter information into reservation. The information will save in the database, and also the business will get an email about the reservation. Then you go to order online, same as well. Customer can order or place a order on a item, and this will go to the database and send the person a email. And then the contact page, same as well, enter information into the contact form, sorry. And once you send the information, it will save in the database, and also you will get like an email notification. Also, like you can see I added like this map feature, so it basically shows like the location where the business is. So if I go on like reservoir table, you can see that it basically like takes you there immediately. Then go on view menu, see it takes you there immediately as well. Same as well with the learn more, click on that, it takes you there immediately. So, and if I go on view full menu, that takes you there immediately as well. Oh, and also one thing as well, you can see that this here is a link to take you back to the home page as well. So yeah, and also I have like the icon as well in the icon tab bar. I don't know what is the name that you actually call that. That's pretty much it here for this project. Hopefully you all like it. Make sure you all like the video and subscribe, and I'll catch you back in another project.